Ah, Santi. Hi guys. Today, today I'm in Eastleigh. You know I love this place for sure. If you watch my videos, you know I love Eastleigh. The reason why I love Eastleigh is a place where when you come, there are so many things you can buy here in Eastleigh, and I love this place. Number one, they are affordable. Number two, they are quality. Number three, they are beautiful. So today, I've come to buy a Duvet. Nairobi is still for now. And that's the reason why. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time to be here, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video and leave a sweet comment down below. And if you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much for always coming back and watch my video. As I've said, I've come to buy today here in Eastleigh. And I've been welcomed here by my beautiful sister. So my sister, niambie, because unaendeleaje? Hii ni ya how much? Really? 6 by 6 how much? Oh, this 6 by 6 is selling at 1,800. Now it's the same way now. This is straight too. This is 2,200. So 6 by 6, but it's above and it's a what? Different quality. Oh, different quality. So this one is 18 too, the white one. But because of the quality, sometimes quality differ. If it's of a higher quality, the amount of money can go higher. That's the reason why it's going for 2,200. But I still continue to buy. It's still fair. It's still fair considering sometimes for white one normally go a little bit higher than others. So my even now the same price here and 6 by 6. The up one are 6 by 6. All of them, all the 6 by 6 and 1,800. Ah, this one is 6 by 6. This one is 6 by 6. The price is 1,600. And if you have bedsheet, it has bedsheet inside. So you have a duvet and bedsheet inside. Does it have pillow? Yeah. And two pillows. A bedsheet and two pillows. That is 1,800. It's a 6 by 6 one. I don't see the prices. They are plus. So it's the same size.
Ken.
That's the price. What of this one? These are please. Yeah, please blanket. Oh, you say baby. What is I say? This one is 6. If you are looking also for fleece blanket, you know sometimes when you are sitting at home and it's very cold, these fleece blankets come in handy. At least you can cover yourself sitting in your couch. It makes you warm and they are very, very nice. And even the colors I can see they are very beautiful. And this is 6 by 6. This one. This one is 3,000. A 6x6 one. Let's go to that. They are all the same size. They are all 6x6. This one is all 6x6. These blankets. You can use it, and it's very warm, as you can see. Very soft, very warm. It makes you warm. Am I folding the wrong side? Hey, this side, like this. Nairobi is cheap. It's very cheap. Like now, we are feeling because and you need to keep yourself warm. So that you need to keep yourself. So apart from the 6x6, these are perfect for all of them. 5x6 now, 4x6. How much is 4x6? 4x6. Which one is 4x6? Okay. But these ones here, they are 4x6. Going for 1,500. This 4x6 size, that is 1,500. And I can see this is like 5x6. What for how much? Yes, 16. I can see the price ranges like a difference of 200. Yeah? So maybe you can say instead of buying a smaller one, you can buy a big one. Because the difference is not there. You can see the 5 and the 16, then 18 is the difference is not. So these are for 4x6, 5x6, and 6x6 is on the other side. And we are looking for pillows to decorate your home. They are here. They are they are complete, yes. Complete is 650. And if you are buying for pillowcases, 400 for pillowcases. Yeah, and this is 500, 700. Okay, the pillowcase differ, the prices. This is 400. This is 5? 7. This one's the far one. Let me show you the far one. It's so beautiful. This one is 700. And the other one is this. 500. This one also, but it's 500, but it's different. This one is for 500. So this one is 500. This one is 700. And this other one also is 700. And I also think it should depend with the size of your pillow. If your pillow is big, you can go for the 700 or a little bit. But if it's this size, then you can go for 500. But if you want to buy complete, that is has already it's ready. You don't have to look for fiber. It's inside. I was looking for that one fiber. If you don't need to put fiber, you can just buy complete and 600. I think for 600 is better because you don't need to buy fiber. That's very nice. Wow, that's very nice. Waterproof. Pillow protector. Mattress. Oh, because the pillow protector. Let me see the mattress. This mattress protector, the waterproof. You know, sometimes our mattresses get very dirty, and if you have mattress protector, it's also reduces when you put your mattress. So it comes in handy at home. So if you are looking for a mattress protector, you can buy. You can buy here. They'll give you at a good price. How much is the mattress protector? 25. This is 25, 2,500. Oh, it's the same price. Oh. Yeah, 5 by 6, 4 by 6. This is 6 by 6. 6 by 6 is 2,500. The same price. The same price. All of them. Okay. The sizes are different, but the price is the same. That is 2,500. It is 4 by 6, 5 by 6, or 6 by 6. The price is the same. And I can see you have red and the cover. I have copy of and this one is the same. And how much? That's 3,800. So bed sheet? One bed sheet. One bed sheet, one with the cover, and 4 pillowcases. That is 3,800. Wow. I love this one. Very nice. Very nice. I don't know which one I can pick, but yeah, very, very good. Okay. I can see there is another type. This one is velvet. You can show them this one. There's another type. So in case you don't want this type of duvet, you want to go to get a warmer one. Because what I've come to realize, duvet differ according to how heavy they are. If you don't want a very heavy duvet, you can buy here. Yeah, it depends on what you want. If you want something warmer, then the duvet are there inside. This one is very, very warm. This one is how much? 3,000? 3,800. This one is 3,800. It's 6 by 6. It's 6 by 6, and the price is 3,800. They are all the same sizes. They are the same size, but only colors which are different. And we have towels. How much are your hands? 800. It's the big one. Medium. Can I see? So that is if someone wants to know the size, can have an idea of how big the tile is. Medium one. Not the very biggest, it's the medium size. This one is 800. Your shop has specifically, so it's easy. If you are looking for duvet, if you are looking for towels, if you are looking for bed sheets, you have your specific because going on. Okay. So I'd like to have this video here as yes, you can see the duvets are very nice. There are so many things that you can buy here, but specifically I had come for this because Nairobi is very cold. But before I end the video, I'd like the person in charge here to tell us the name of the mall and our shop number. Please tell us the name of your mall and shop. MOYALE Mall. This is MOYALE Mall. G1. MOYALE Mall shop G1. In fact, it's just very, very close to the road. You cannot miss the place. You can show them and your phone number. Give us your number. Your phone number. 0794672108. That's her phone number. In case you get lost here in the city, it's MOYALE Mall. It's the first shop as you enter MOYALE Mall. You know she's a very nice person. She'll be very, very good. She'll serve you very well. I can say that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Leave a sweet comment down below. Please come to the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and leave a sweet comment down below. But if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel so that we can hit 1,000 subscribers. It's so easy, just subscribe. Now watch my video and if you are not subscribing, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye and see you.